Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is applicable for all Honda models, whether you have an Accord, a Pilot, a Civic, a Passport, whatever it is. If you need to change a tire on your Honda vehicle and you run across this lug nut right here and you can't get it off, that is a wheel lock. You need your wheel lock key to make that come off compared to the other lug nuts that you have right here. Let me show you what you need to look for. And while I can't promise you that the wheel lock key is going to be located in the glove box of your Honda, ultimately this is what you're looking for, this bag. And let me show you what's inside. This is your wheel lock key. So what you're going to do is take this and insert it into your tire iron, and then when you slip that over the wheel lock right here, that's going to lock into place, and that'll allow you to take that lug nut off and then tighten it back down once you put your spare tire on. So I hope that helps somebody out. Like I said, you may not find the bag containing the wheel lock key in the glove box, but this will give you an idea of what you need to look for. I hope that's helpful to somebody. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.